Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have a set of headphones, Doqaus. These are absolutely incredible. All right, I've already done a video of this before, and I'll have a link up here for you to see it. I've done this 2 years ago, and the company has actually sent me a pair for free. Now, I've already done this video already, and here's the other set. Actually, I think I got these for free too, but I'm still using them. And these are my generic basic headphones, and they have a 52-hour runtime. Now, it's crazy. So if you want to use them a couple hours a day, they can last you a whole week, 2 weeks maybe, depends on how long you use them for, how much bass you have. It's actually pretty impressive. However, this set is actually much more pleasant to look at, and they've changed it quite a bit. There's gold here now. It's got tan inlay inside here, black here. The logo is still on the top of the, let's see if we get this right, so I don't want to be upside down. Doqaus logo is there. This is what I'm currently using, and I use it every day. It stays in the bedroom for watching television. This is a newer style, and just like that video, these will get the Joe Tech Tips Instant Awesome rating because of the longevity. And I'm also going to say for styling, because they definitely changed it substantially. It looks beautiful. I mean, it's definitely nice to look at. The bass response is great. The runtime is great. They are also adjustable, so they can fit your head properly, like so. It fits great. There is a left and right label on the inside, so you know which side is the right and which one's the left. I just put them on backwards, so there they go. They fit perfectly around your ear, perfectly. Nice. Rubber, actually leather surround. They fit comfortably over your ears. It's a really well-designed, well-made headset for what it is. Bluetooth. It also has a microphone, so you can use it as, so if you listen to music and you want to answer the phone, you can. You hit one of these buttons on here. It'll allow you to answer the phone. The Bluetooth capability is pretty good in terms of quality. The audio sounding of it sounds really, really good. I'm wondering if I could demo that for you. I'm going to see if I can. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips. We are testing the Doqaus microphone. I made sure that I was selected on here, and I made sure of it. Matter of fact, I did it before, and it was, sure enough, it was on the microphone on the webcam that I was using. But now we are on this, which is good news. So hopefully this sounds good. I'm not going to omit it from the video. So testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully it was successful, and it sounds good. But these are a very good set of headphones. I really like the styling of this. It's really pretty looking. I mean, I can't really say much more about it because I've already done a video about it already. This time we have a coupon code in the link. I'll have a link in the description below and a coupon code down there as well to get yours today. And I'm sure it'll even be probably even more coupon, like more of a percentage off, because today is Christmas Eve. So I'm hoping that these will be sold. It's not a big deal. Like if you're looking for a set of headphones, this is it. Unfortunately, I can't let you hear what it sounds like because you're not going to really appreciate the sound quality. But since I already have a pair, and by the way, it does come with a Type-C cable for charging, but it will not work. It must be a Type A to Type-C cable. It will not work with a Type-C to Type-C. I've tried it multiple times. I was hoping they fixed it in this one, which they did not. So you can't use like an Anchor charger that has a Type-C on it and charge this. It will not work. It must be a Type-A to a Type-C, and that's that. But other than that, this is a great product because I've already reviewed it once before, 2 years ago. And here it is. This is it. This is the exact thing I showed you, and I still have it. And it's great. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.